Am I wrong?
I don't think you're wrong, but I would challenge you a little bit only to help your audience and everyone paying attention appreciate really where we started the conversation, which is that you must follow trends. You must study the market. The startups that fail and the accelerators that fail are the ones that are doing what they want to because they think so. And they read lean startup, and so they believe that if they build an MVP first because that's my solution to this problem in the market. And then if I just prove that I can get some customers, I have a successful startup. And that's absolutely not true. Absolutely not correct. That the market is what is determining how things change and what will or will not work. So let me
Mhm.
push back just with this perspective. AI is unique in that if you look back on the last 7 or 10 years, we've also had many new trends that sucked up a lot of capital, right? That took a lot of the venture capital out of the market. Blockchain,
Yes.
cryptocurrency, NFTs. You can go down this list of the things that were the next hot. Remember the metaverse? How many of you all built stuff in the metaverse? The metaverse was going to be Web 3.0. Well, those of us that do this kind of work knew that that wasn't going to be the case. I know that cryptocurrency isn't going to change everything. I know that the metaverse was never going to be ever where we all hang out and where we all build. And yet, you had a lot of startups and you had a lot of investors claiming it and trying to make it so.
Yes.
The reason that happens is not exactly wrong. It's just it misunderstands what's going on. AI is unique in that AI actually will be changing everything. AI is effectively what we should be referring to as Web 3.0 or 4.0 or whatever number we're on. And what I mean by
Yes.
that is social media. Social media was the previous iteration of the internet that changed absolutely everything. The entire internet is now social.
Yes.
Before that was what? It was e-commerce. It wasn't Amazon, it was e-commerce. We made the internet commercial. What I'm
Yep.
referring to is the fact that there are stages of innovation and evolution where we actually do disrupt and change everything. The first one, loosely related to what we're talking about, is the internet itself. The internet changed
Yep.
everything. And then it became commerce, and then it became social, and now it will become intelligent. Okay.
Yes.
Artificial
Global
intelligence will change everything.
intelligence.